Hello my dear crafters, another video for you to help you with your Christmas gifting and your craft fairs. This one, guys, is amazing. We're making this box together. You know what this is? This is a little tiny, the smallest shadow box you can make, and you can fit a lip balm inside. I'll open to show you, but let me show you all three. Amazing, quick to make. This is a Cray-S Crafts die set. You see me using their die sets here all the time. They're great. They always sell out because they're quite inexpensive. This one is like $7 something, $7 something. I mean, honestly, to make this beautiful box, and you can really mass produce because it's little and it's fast. So let me show you inside what it looks like. That's the one we're doing together. So look at this. Isn't that amazing? Perfect. It fits perfectly a lip balm. This is the regular size lip balm, guys, and I have the link below to this one because I don't want you to buy the wrong ones. Believe me, they're different sizes. This one is 2.5 in case you have it at home. This is like 5/8 of an inch, okay? But it's the regular size of lip balm. Fits perfectly. Beautiful box, and you can use your scraps. It doesn't use much paper at all. You see the pieces of paper. So that's our project today. Let's move on to the tutorial. And please, guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I really want to reach 30,000 this year, and it depends on you. It's quick. It's just one click, and it's free, and it really helps me. Thank you so much. And here's the die set, simple as can be. This is the front and back. This goes right here. It's just the bottom of the box. So let me show you so you understand. See, that's the bottom right there. These are the sides of the shadow box. Easy as that. You just cut this twice and all of these once, and you have one box. So let me show you how to put this together. So I've already cut everything. This is the shadow box. We're going to first start with, we're going to start with this, with the cover, and then we'll do the shadow box, okay? And this is all for decorating. We'll do that later. So look at this, very easy. So we're going to flip this because we're going to glue it. I always use my mat here, my lines. Let me zoom in for you because it makes it easier. So basically, we're going to glue like this. Always remember to fold your scoring lines. Let me just find it here. It's hard when you have a paper with, there you go, paper with some kind of design. Patterns, it's much harder to see, so I usually flip it. So there you go. So we're going to glue that. Very, very easy. I'm gonna flip it here. Oh, good. So we have our front and back ready. How easy was that? Now let me show you. I have done a few of these, so I know the best way to do this. So always scoring lines, do the scoring lines first. And it does all the scoring lines for you, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. The die set does that for you. So basically that's that, and we need to glue this on the sides here, just like we do with side flaps. So that's the side. Again, this is going to be the front. So yeah, now this is going to be the front because it goes like this. So we're going to hide this inside, okay? So this is how you glue it, like that, because this is going to fold in and it's going to hide it. So put some glue here. So we have, here's the easiest way to do this. We're going to flip the sides first, and here's how you do it. We're going to use this little tag here, this little flap to glue in. And here's how you do this. We're going to fold it in, just fold it in like that. And we're going to, look at this, like this. Just fold it in and make it flat. That's the best way. I've tried other ways, and we're just going to press it in. Use your bone folder if you want. You can, here's what I do. I just put it in like this, and I press it down in place. Same thing with the other side. We're going to put the glue right here. How easy is this? We're going to just fold it and press it down like that. Again, let me show you, like this. See? I'm going to press it down and make sure to press it in. So we have the sides of the shadow box. I think I'm going to zoom in even more. There you go, better. So we have the flaps here on the side. This is going to glue. Basically, we're going to do the same thing with the sides. So we have this flap here. We're going to fold it in like this and glue it. That's it. There's one scoring line here that I didn't do, so I'm gonna do it. Let me see if on the other side I did. I did, yeah. So I'm going to put glue here. And we are going to press it in, press it down like that. See, it's going to be, see how perfectly this aligns here? So just press it down, we use your, and we're almost done. This is great for last minute, guys. You want to fill up your craft fair table or just last minute gifting. This is great. You use it all year long. It doesn't have to be Christmas, really. Again, I'm gonna fold it. So there you go. We have our shadow box. All we need to do now is glue the sides. And this goes in, these two sides here, they go under the little one. Just kind of press it in like that, close it, and we're good. How perfect is this? Look at that. Oh my gosh, it amazes me. Okay, we're going to do the sides. I like to do it together, and like so. I'm going to put some glue too right here. And right here on the other side. We want to make sure that when it goes in, that it gets some glue under. There you go, like this. And we're going to hold it in place like this. Hold the sides and press the top down like that. Very easy. You can use your bone folder if you have excess of glue like I do. Hold it in and just kind of hold it for a few seconds. This is when good glue makes a difference. There we go, perfect. Same thing on the other side, two flaps. I'm going to put some glue on the flaps. And then we're going to put some glue right here on the corners. Oh, sorry, I put it wrong side. Wrong side. It's not on the top, Paula. Sorry about that. I'm gonna put it here on the sides, and we're gonna press it in, hold it in place. Isn't this the easiest shadow box ever? And there we go, guys. We have our shadow box. All we need to do now is just glue it in place here. And we have our box. How about that? You can glue this. I like to glue the whole back like this and just leave this. But you can just glue this part and leave it like that. It's up to you. I like to glue the whole thing. So here we go. Put some glue here and here and here. There we go. I like to hold it in place like this. Make sure it's centered. Yep. Oh, good. Hold it in place. Oh, forgot the base. And here we have it. Look at that. Let me get our lip balm. Fits absolutely perfectly. And we're going to zoom in and do the most amazing part. That's the part that I like. So I got some of this beautiful, I think I'm going to put 3. Okay. We're going to decorate as you want. This is a great thing for you to use your beautiful stickers on. That's what I'm doing today. You see me using a sticker from Hobby Lobby. They are really good for stickers, guys, especially these little ones that we need for these little projects that we make for craft fairs and stuff in Christmas. So I just add a little bit of glimmer. I'm going to use this Merry Christmas. Beautiful. Gonna put this right there. No, not centered, Paula. Not centered. Move it. There you go. Better now. So there, I'm gonna press it. And we have our beautiful box. Now I like to glue, you can glue this, guys, if you want. I mean, they're gonna have to destroy it though. So what I like to do, or you can use one of those clips. You can use that. And I like to use a little bit of, this is 1/4 inch. And we're going to just kind of hold it in place and tie a knot. That's how I like it, but you do whatever you want. You can glue it, you can use little pins, you can use glue dot would work to hold it in place, I guess. So I'm gonna do that, little bow, and we're done with our box. I think I did this on all 3 here that I'm showing you. I still have to make more, but I wouldn't have time later on to do the video, so I decided to do the video first. So there you go. And we have our beautiful box. Perfect, quick, absolutely amazing. Get the die because it's so inexpensive. And it usually sells out because KS Crafts usually does. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed today's video. One more craft fair product for you guys. I hope you are being very successful. Thank you so much. And please help me reach my 30,000, okay? Subscribe and hit that little bell because otherwise you don't see that I have published a new video. That's the only way, really. Thank you so much and you have a wonderful day.